Good morning. We are happy to have Mr. Balaswamy, soft skills trainer, who is working here at NRI Institute of Technology, Guntur. Hello, Mr. Balaswamy.
Hello.
I have a doubt. As a trainer, I think you can clear my doubt.
Okay.
People are we, sometimes even I think that thinkings are different kinds and different types.
Yes.
And can you clear about that? Thinking.
Yes. Yes. People say that there are different kinds of thinking. Creative thinking, critical thinking, evaluative thinking. No, there are many types of thinking. But all these types of thinking can be generally categorized into two types: vertical thinking and lateral thinking. Vertical thinking begins with a single concept and proceeds with that concept until solution is reached. For example, there is a hole in the ground, and if I ask you to go to the ground and develop that hole, so what do? You take a crowbar, go to the ground and then dig it, develop the hole and then make it big. If you are doing this, it is vertical thinking. Lateral thinking refers to thinking that generates alternative ways of seeing a problem before seeking solutions. Now, let me give you an example. We shall take the same example. Let's say there is a hole in the ground and I ask you to go to the ground and then develop it. So what do? You take a crowbar and then go to the ground and then start developing it. But in the process you find that there is a rock in the ground. So what do? Maybe you change the place and then go to some other place and then start digging there. And then you encounter another problem. So you change the place once again and then go to the other place. So there also you encounter other kind of problem. So like this, you dig in several places. Finally, you find a suitable place for a bigger hole. So you dig there and then make it a big hole. So if you are doing this, it means that you have lateral thinking. Now, vertical thinking was good in the beginning of the history. But as the man is becoming sophisticated, as there are many alternatives for life, I think lateral thinking is the thing that we require today. Now I will ask you a question and I will tell you whether you are a vertical thinker or a lateral thinker. So please listen to my question. If a child falls from 10-story building and nothing happens to the child, why do you think nothing is happening to the child?
Maybe somebody...
So somebody must have carried the child. Is there any other answer? Yes.
Or something, a red light it was.
So there was a net.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, or maybe that water is there, water cooler.
So the child has fallen in the water.
Water, and somebody is swimming there and they save the child.
They save the child.
Yes.
So now you are in the problem and then you are trying to get the solution from the problem itself.
Yes.
So if you are thinking like that, it is vertical thinking. Lateral thinking, before coming to the solution, we see alternatives. For you look at the issue. I said the girl has fallen from 10-story building. I did not say from the top of the 10-story building. The 10-story building, maybe the downstairs.
Yes.
So the girl has fallen just there. So nothing has happened to the child.
Yes.
So lateral thinking refers to looking at the problem, the different alternatives ways of looking at the problem and then reaching the solution.
Yes.
Now I will tell you the differences between vertical thinking and lateral thinking.
Vertical thinking is looking for the right approach. Lateral thinking is looking for as many approaches as possible. Vertical thinking deals with rightness, whereas lateral thinking deals with richness. Vertical thinking proceeds if there is a direction. Lateral thinking proceeds to generate direction. Vertical thinking is analytical, whereas lateral thinking is provocative. Vertical thinking is sequential, but lateral thinking can make jumps. One must be correct at every step in vertical thinking, but one does not have to be correct at every step in lateral thinking. Vertical thinking uses negative to block off certain pathways, whereas lateral thinking, there is no negative.